Okay, in this EdPuzzle, you guys are going to work on finding explicit answers in text and then also supporting your thinking with evidence from the text. How do they use a green screen in movies? Actors often act on simple sets with large green or blue screens behind them. The screens are later replaced with computer-generated backgrounds. Burton and the director discuss lighting for those scenes. They even talk about what the reflection in the character's eyes should look like. Details like this require a lot of planning. Technicians need information from each scene to make their effects look real. Burton made sure all the necessary information was gathered. How do they use a green screen in movies? If I look back in the text, it talks about that the green screen is used behind actors, and then it's later replaced with computer-generated backgrounds. So that is what a green screen does. It allows them to add those cool backgrounds behind characters while they just have that green screen behind them. How do they make creatures more like real people? So as we're reading through this, you're going to be thinking about how are they making these creatures move like real people? Made-up creatures move just like real people in movies like The Mummy or Avatar. Special effect technicians use motion capture to make this happen. Actors wear bodysuits covered with special sensors that look like ping pong balls. Special cameras record the suit's movement by bouncing light off the sensors. Technicians use the recorded motion of the real actor to create the motion of the animated creature on the computer. The animated creatures are then put into the film scene. Technicians work day after day until they look just right. Each character can take many weeks of work to create. How do they make creatures more like real people? So it talks about in the text that they use a bodysuit that is covered with sensors, and then based on the sensors they go through and they create motion for the character or the animated creature. Okay? All right. Make sure to skim and scan back through the text to find support for your thinking. Thank you.